When you buy an insurance policy, you might see an underwriting fee. Let's break down what that actually pays for in your premium. Underwriting is the process where an insurance company evaluates the risk of covering you and decides how much to charge for that coverage. This fee covers the administrative costs of analyzing your specific data and determining if you are a candidate for their insurance pool. The fee helps pay for the automated systems and human staff that verify your information and calculate the probability of a future claim. It is important to distinguish this fee from your premium. The fee handles the setup, while the premium funds the actual insurance pool. Fees often vary based on the complexity of your application. More complex risks require more intensive analysis, which can lead to higher fees. Some fees are earned as soon as the policy is issued, while others may be prorated. Check your specific contract terms for clarity. Understanding these costs helps you make informed choices about your coverage. Educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.